Perfect that it's on recording that she nearly slipped out of my hands. So this is Nala. This is our lovely housemate. She loves to be in the background when I have meetings, and she even more loves to chew her nice bone. She's very noisy when she chews the bone, and she loves to do it when I have important meetings, of course. My name is Maya. I'm currently a PhD student, and I'm doing my PhD in sleep and PTSD. So PTSD is post-traumatic stress disorder. And I want to see if I can modify sleep to improve the processing of traumatic memories. And I'm an international student from Switzerland. I did my undergraduate bachelor and master in Switzerland, and there was a big part that was research based, and that I gained so much experience during that time that I thought I want to stay in research. So I decided the best way to go forward is doing a PhD, and then because research, everything is in English, and obviously my mother tongue is German, I wanted to go abroad to an English-speaking country, and this is what brought me here to Australia. And here also I got the great opportunity to combine both sleep and the clinical aspect of psychology with PTSD. Especially coming to Australia to another place, this has mostly helped me grow, because I used to live in my bubble back home where my family is and my friends are, where I know everything. But making this big step to go abroad, to go to a completely new university, completely new country, where I don't really know anyone, and so far away from home. I feel like what is helping us being like a little family is that we have a lot of social activities. Like, for example, we would get together and just chat about non-uni related stuff, or we would have Christmas party together where we all bring our food and then sit down and have a good time. So yeah, they're not just uni people, they're also like a little family. Because I would like to stay in research, I could imagine working on clinical trials, especially my project was a clinical trial that I have planned. I have a little bit of experience with clinical trials from before. So yeah, I would love to stay in research, whether it's in academia or in a, for example, pharmaceutical company.